Hi friends, welcome back to MX Decor. In this video, I am gonna share with you most beautiful modern patio designs and will give you 7 designer approved patio decorating tips. So don't skip video. Make your outdoor space even more welcoming with these ideas straight from MX Decor interior design experts. We have got brilliant tips for best expressing your interior design aesthetic outside, shopping for patio furniture, using color, creating semi-enclosed areas, and optimizing small size spaces so they won't feel congested. If still you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe it for more interesting videos. Now get right into the video. When selecting your seating options, pillows and other forms of outdoor decor, remember to keep the weather in mind. You will want to choose furnishing with attractive finishes that will hold up in the elements. Don't be afraid to mix prints and patterns when it comes to decorating too. A good rule of thumb to remember is the more your outdoor space feels like your style rather than the taste of someone else, the more likely you are to use it. Whether you have got a wraparound veranda to work with or you are planning to party for a pin-sized patio, you will find these decorating ideas presented by MX Decor experts endlessly useful. Now the first tip is bring the indoor outdoors. Let your personal style spread to your outdoor space for an elegantly cohesive outdoor entertaining environment. You want your outdoor space to feel as comfortable as your indoor space. I like to bring a rug out to help create an environment your guests will love, and move indoor furniture and accessories outside because you want your patio to be an extension of how you live. Now the second tip is mix and match materials. Don't be afraid of eschew the patio set. Pick and choose different furniture and fabrics for the patio the same way you would inside your home. Think brightly colored chairs with a printed umbrella or various pillows with interesting patterns and accents. The unique mix of materials, hues, and furnishings will make your outdoor space characteristically you. Now the third tip is enclose your space. Whether your neighbors are right on top of you or you live on a 6-acre estate, outdoor curtains are a good idea. They provide privacy and shade so you can enjoy your outdoor entertaining areas without having to endure the sun scorching rays. You can commit to indoor-outdoor living and make your patio feel like another room in your house by enclosing it. Upgrade your patio by adding a pergola and curtains to create a semi-enclosed space. Close the curtain for some privacy, or when you want to relax and take a nap, it can become an ultimate space for you. Now the fourth one is no one wants a space to feel spare. Be smart about scale. Even if the area is small, it's okay to have oversized items such as pillows on your sofa or big planters with big plants. It may sound obvious, but you do be surprised how easy it is to forget this helpful hint. Fewer larger items make a small space feel bigger, and packing in lots of products and small accents will make an area look cluttered. Now the fifth one is create custom zones. If you are lucky enough to have a large outdoor space, divide and conquer. Split up your outdoor space into zones for different functions such as eating, drinking, entertaining, and relaxing. You can also create special spaces for kids and adults to play outdoor games. A bonfire zone, appetizer and desserts area, and don't forget to designate an area in the entryway of your home for guests to wipe shoes. Now the sixth one is keep things natural. Mix indoor and outdoor natural materials so it won't feel like a huge shift as you move from the house to the patio and back again. A balanced combination of rattan, wood, concrete, ceramic, glass or metal will give an outdoor space a natural collected feel and connect the interior to the exterior. Now the last one is light it up. Don't spend those lazy summer nights in the dark. Make your outdoor space a place to spend time with friends and family well into the night. Lighting is key. If your patio is a completely open space where you can't hang lighting, then place indoor-outdoor lamps around your space. And that's all for right now. I hope friends this video is very helpful in decorating your patio. Please mention in comment, is it really helpful for you? If you like this video then please don't forget to subscribe MX Decor. Thank you.